By the end of this video, you're going to know if Airbnb is right for you. A lot of people ask us what the benefits and challenges are of hosting on Airbnb. Some say it's an easy way to make money, while others worry it'll bring nothing but headaches. After hosting for over many years ourselves, we've learned it's a mix of both. So today, we're going to walk you through 3 pros and 3 cons of renting your place on Airbnb. Stick around to the end because we're going to share with you how to spot the right property if you want to have your own short-term rental or STR. Before you dive in, it's important to understand both sides of the equation. Airbnb can be great rewards, but it also comes with challenges. So, what are the 3 biggest pros and 3 most significant cons? Let's break it down. In our experience, Airbnb can generate significantly more income than a traditional rental. A well-managed short-term rental in a good location with attractive furnishings and high-quality photos can bring in 2 to 3 times what you make with a long-term tenant. We've personally used Airbnb income to pay down debt, purchase additional properties, and even splurge on some fun trips. In our experience, Airbnb can generate significantly more income than a traditional rental. A well-managed short-term rental in a good location with attractive furnishings and high-quality photos can bring in 2 to 3 times what you'd make with a long-term tenant. We've personally used Airbnb income to pay down debt, purchase additional properties, and even splurge on some fun trips. The financial upside can be impressive if you play your cards right. If making additional income is not enough for you to consider being a host on Airbnb, you should also think about the impact it has on the community. One of the hidden benefits of running an Airbnb is the positive impact it can have on your local community. By hiring cleaners, gardeners, pool maintenance staff, or other service providers, you're directly supporting local businesses. Additionally, you can highlight and promote nearby restaurants, cafes, or shops in your guest guidebook, driving more traffic to those establishments. It's a win-win. Not only do you benefit financially, but you also help strengthen the local economy and showcase the best your area has to offer. If having a positive income still doesn't inspire you to become a host, then consider the flexibility it offers. One of the things we love about Airbnb is the flexibility it offers. Unlike long-term rentals where you're locked into a lease, you can choose when to rent out your property. If you want to block off a few weeks to enjoy your space or have friends stay over, it's entirely up to you. This level of control is especially great if you're renting out a second home or a vacation property. All of this sounds amazing and you're ready to start your first Airbnb. But there are some downfalls that we want to share with you. A successful Airbnb takes a lot of work, from cleaning and laundry to responding to guest inquiries and maintaining your calendar. It's a more hands-on than most people realize. Even if you outsource some tasks like cleaning or check-ins, you still need to stay on top of everything. If this is already too much for you, you're not going to like the next one on our list. Another downside is the unpredictability of hosting. Unlike long-term rentals, where you have the same tenant for months or years, with Airbnb, you're constantly welcoming new guests. This means you can have an amazing guest one week and a less considerate one the next. Sometimes things break or guests have complaints that need to be addressed immediately, and that can be stressful if you're not prepared for it. So you're thinking, I can handle this, and you're probably right. What else could go wrong? Lastly, there's always the risk that something might get damaged. While most guests are respectful, accidents do happen. Whether it's a broken lamp or a stained carpet, you need to be prepared for some wear and tear.
When Mark and Star King finally entered their home after renting it out for the weekend, they were shocked at what they saw.
There's mayonnaise on furniture and barbecue sauce everywhere, and
Fortunately, Airbnb offers protection, but it's still important to have a proper insurance in place to cover any major incidents. All of these pros and cons must be giving you a lot to think about, and you should. Airbnb has a lot of incredible benefits, but it's not for everyone. If you're okay getting your hands dirty, sometimes literally, then you'll definitely reap the benefits of being an Airbnb host. The first step to being a host is having the right property, and we want to share some things to think about before you jump into the Airbnb game. Beyond just short-term rental income, Airbnb properties can be a fantastic real estate investment. Just remember to make sure to learn about your local rules and regulations regarding Airbnb or short-term rentals. These vary from place to place. If you're looking to buy a property specifically to list on Airbnb, here are a few key things to consider. Number one, location is everything. Look for areas with high tourist demand, proximity to attractions or business hubs. Vacation destinations or urban areas with strong tourist foot traffic tend to do well. You'll want to research local regulations to make sure short-term rentals are allowed and understand any restrictions that may apply. Number two, single-family homes, condos, and vacation homes are popular choices, but each one has its pros and cons. A standalone house offers more privacy, but a condo might come with amenities like pool or gym, which could appeal to guests. Think about what type of guests you want to attract and what features will be most appealing to them. Number three, beyond the initial purchase, consider the cost of furnishing the property, marketing it, and maintaining it. Properties that require a lot of repairs or updates can be costly and eat into your profits. Make sure you factor in the cost of cleaning, utilities, and ongoing maintenance. Lastly, consider how the area is developing. Are there plans for new restaurants, attractions, or transportation improvements? If the area is expected to grow, your property's value and Airbnb demand may increase over time, leading to even better returns. So there you have it, 3 pros and 3 cons, and why Airbnb properties can be a great real estate investment. If you're thinking about diving into the Airbnb world, make sure to do your research, find the right location, and invest in the right property. Also, remember to learn about your local regulations when it comes to hosting an Airbnb or short-term rental. Remember, if you need any advice, we are just a phone call away. Till next time.